A little bit of bonding time with my new buddy. Just having a blast cleaning my mustache and beard. And I can even get pets. Oh yeah. And he lets me give him beak scratches. What a change from not being able to even touch him a few days ago. He just needed to warm up. Mm-hmm. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Had all day to hang out today, so he's lovey-dovey today. We'll have all day tomorrow too. Yeah, all day tomorrow. So he's been cleaning me all day long. Preening all day long. And then we had breakfast, we had a little lunch, and I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. But he had carrots and apples and pellets this morning. Yeah. And then the leftovers for lunch. And yeah. He's been hanging out. And he seems to be enjoying himself. I put him in his cage and then he acts up and I take him out and then it's just an attention thing for him right now, so I guess I'm doing alright with him. I guess I'll update you guys later or tomorrow. Just depends on what's going on and if anything changes or he does anything cute. I mean, like, this isn't cute enough, right? Yeah. Yeah. You want to dance before we go? Dancing. No. He's too busy. He's way too busy. Anyway, guys. Thanks for watching yet again. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and you guys can see more of Sheldon. And there'll be some gameplay footage coming soon, I promise.